Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another exciting product that I would like to share it with you guys. And this is the JUST4KIRA colored contact lenses. And yes, this is in collaboration with JUST4KIRA. JUST4KIRA is a professional contact lens brand. They provide a high quality, good looking products. The company has been working in the contact lens industry for 7 years with the unique pattern of independent design by virtue of fashionable products, excellent quality, perfect after-sales service. The company has accumulated lots of loyal customers. Their goal is to make women all over the world be more confident and be more beautiful. So if you go browse around with their website, you can basically find a lot of contact lenses that fit your needs. So the company has accumulated lots of loyal customers, which is a very good point because having lots of loyal customers tells about a lot with a company. So with that being said, let's jump right off to contact lenses. So what they have provided me is 4 contact lenses. By the way, they actually gave me 4 pairs of contact lens, and that's what I am going to be showing to you for today. I'm going to be trying them on. So this is basically what it looks like. I've already soaked them, by the way, in the contact lens solution. I don't know if you can see it, guys, because I apologize for the glare. And by the way, these are all included in the box as well. What I'm going to be trying first is the green one, the green color contact lens, and this is the SL29 green contact lens. So let me just go ahead and grab it, and always make sure that your hands are clean. Okay, let me just go ahead and put this. So this is the green one. Let me try it on first. So this is the green SL green contact lens. It's so pretty, and they are very comfortable, by the way. This is my original eye color. It's a brown, dark brown color, and this is SL29. And let me go ahead and try on the other one as well. Always make sure that your hands are clean. So this is the SL contact lens, the green contact lens one. They are very comfortable. If this is your first time in wearing contact lenses, they also have an instructions on how to apply contact lenses correctly. I'm looking at my camera right now and my mirror, and it's so comfortable, by the way, guys. Okay, so the next one I'm going to be trying on is the blue one. It's the same thing, the same contact lens case. And then, like I said earlier, I've already soaked these contact lenses in the contact lens solution prior filming to this video. And by the way, guys, all of these contact lenses are 12-month wear, so it's a yearly contact lens, so you can reuse them for a year. So this is the blue contact lens, and let me just go ahead and put this on right here. It's the same thing, by the way, guys. The casing, it's a clear casing with all of those tools that I have showed you earlier. It's good because, for sanitary purposes, that's one good part about this one. They have all of these, so you don't have to keep using your hands and your fingers in putting on the contact lens. Okay, so this is a blue one, if you can see that on the camera. I've been wearing contact lenses before, but this is one of the perfect pair that I have tried on. This is color blue, and look at that. I have tried many contact lenses, but by far this is the comfortable lenses that I have tried on. To be honest, this is the blue one, and look at the color. It's blue. I've never had contact lenses like this, like the blue color. I usually have gray or brown. I've had green, but I hardly use it. But this one is the blue. This is my first time trying this on, and this is nice. I think I am going to be wearing blue contact lenses from now on. Never had blue contact lenses. This is more like kind of like a little darker side blue. It's so pretty. It is so pretty, guys. I am telling you, it's very pretty. Of course, in the camera, it's going to be more different because I have the lighting as well. And by the way, guys, I'm going to be putting down the link in the description box below so you can explore more of their products. They have a very useful tips and instructions as well on how to wear contact lenses if this is going to be your first time. They have a lot of variety of products to choose from and helpful tips. Okay, so the next one I'm going to be trying on is the gray contact lens. It's called Russo gray contact lenses. So this is a gray contact lens. This is like a typical gray contact lens that I usually wear. So this is one great addition to the gray contact lenses that I have. Okay, so let me just go ahead and try on the next one. It's so easy to apply too for me. I mean, of course, if you are used to putting on contact lenses, it's gonna be easy peasy. pretty much the colored contact lenses that I have is gray and brown. So I've had green before, but I hardly use it. I think I only have one pair of those. Okay, so the last one I'm going to be trying on is this brown. This is the SL29 brown contact lens, and like I said, this is similar casing that I've showed you earlier. So yeah, let me just go ahead and try that on. So this is the brown. This is the SL29 brown color. I really like the brown one. This brown color, by the way, it's really nice color. Let me just go ahead and put the other one as well. I like this one too. The brown color is very nice. And like I said, they are so comfortable. Don't be alarmed if it's too difficult to apply. But yes, you always have to make sure when applying contact lenses, your hands are clean. And then of course, you have to seek a professional eye doctor. You have to seek a professional if you are planning to get contact lenses. So you know they will have to have that correct parameters of your eye. This is the last pair. I have actually 4 pairs of contact lenses. I have brown, gray, blue, and green. They are very comfortable. They're all nice, but my favorite is the blue and this color brown. It's so comfortable as well. The color contact lenses, they are so comfortable. So those are the contact lenses. They have tons of information on their website. You can go ahead and check them out. They also have a wide variety of contact lenses. They all have a great information on their website. You can go ahead and check them out. The link is in the description box below. I would recommend for you guys to go ahead and check them out. And by the way guys, I also have a discount code if you decided to purchase. You can use that discount. It's going to be in the description box below. So there you have it guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit that like and bell notification below to get notified for future videos. Until next time guys, thanks for watching. Bye!